Sindhudurga, a truly blessed place on the earth. Breathtaking, beautiful long beaches, coconut trees, lush green jungles, waterfalls, historic forts, temples, a truly blessed place on the earth. People here are very friendly and they love to welcome their guests. Food is simply awesome. Surmai fry, prawns fry, pomfret fry, bangda fry. It's like heaven for non-vegetarians. Vegetarians can also enjoy typical Malwani veg cuisine like amboli chutney, kala watana usad, ghawne, and not to forget delicious sweet modaks. People are very religious and Ganpati festival is the biggest festival celebrated here. Sindhudurgites are actually mad about this festival. So much so that if their leave application for Ganpati festival is not sanctioned, they are crazy enough to leave their jobs. So one can understand their passion and love for Ganpati festival. Every household is nicely painted. Entire home is decorated to welcome Ganpati Bappa. Women prepare traditional sweets like laddu, karanji, modak. Group of youngsters visit every household in their local area for Bappa's Aarti, late night bhajans. 11 days long celebration is just pure fun here. But very little is being observed to make this festival eco-friendly. Styrofoam or thermocol, as many of us know it, is being used with free hand for the decoration. And then after the festival, it is just thrown away to affect the environment, to kill birds, to pollute rivers and oceans. Because styrofoam is so light and crumbles easily, it's almost too easy for it to end up out in our woods, rivers and oceans. Once it's there, it is there to stay. Styrofoam will break down into microscopic styrenes and other harmful chemicals, and they will linger in the soil and water for centuries to come. It's an especially serious problem in our world's oceans. Even Ganpati idols are made out of plaster of Paris, which is extremely hazardous material. My Bappa is bigger than theirs. This insane competition is encouraging people to bring home bigger and bigger idols without considering its drawbacks. Studies on the impact of idol immersions carried out in various places show several significant impacts like steep rise in concentration of heavy metals, dissolved solids, acid content, and a drop in dissolved oxygen. Immersion aftermaths are actually very harmful for the environment. Sindhudurgites must understand by the God's grace they got this beautiful place to live in. And sadly, they are using the same God to destroy it. Hello friends, I am Ashish Golatkar, and very soon me and my friend Umesh Tikam, we are launching a new YouTube channel by the name of Focus Sindhudurga. As our name suggests, Focus Sindhudurga, we will cover anything and everything that is beneficial for Sindhudurga on our channel. To begin with, we would like to address the first issue, that is a major issue, pollution created under Ganpati Bappa's name. And to address this issue, we are organizing eco-friendly Ganpati contest for entire Sindhudurga district. This would be an online contest conducted using all popular digital platforms including our own channel Focus Sindhudurga. We want to spread across a very clear message. Please stop making Ganpati Bappa responsible for pollution you make. Please stop using thermocol for making Ganpati Bappa's decoration. You may think of using any other eco-friendly material like banana stems that we have been using traditionally for our Satyanarayan Puja. You can make use of leaves, you can make use of bamboo, anything that is eco-friendly. If you want to make it on your own, there are thousands of ideas available on the net. Or if you don't want to make it on your own, you can still buy it from the market or online. But please make sure your decoration is eco-friendly. Also bring home Ganpati Bappa's idol that is made out of soil. Please do not buy POP Ganpati Bappa's idols. Recently I saw an artist making use of paper pulp for making Ganpati idols. If that is affordable, you may think of it. But please do not buy Ganpati Bappa made out of POP. We are giving you an opportunity to showcase your Bappa and your eco-friendly decoration to the entire world. And if you are lucky and creative enough, you may win exciting prizes as well. So let's join hands together to make this eco-friendly Ganpati contest a successful event this year and be a part of the team that works for pollution-free Sindhudurga. Ganpati Bappa Moria.